Hey everybody, welcome to Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for being here today. Welcome back if you've been here before. And today we're going to be working on this piece. I used my freeform geode silicone mold, which you can see here. I actually designed this mold, and Just For You Online UK helped me to put it into production. It's about 10 inches long and 7 inches wide, and the depth is almost 3/4 of an inch, so pretty good size, bigger than your typical coaster mold. I wanted to make something a little bit bigger because if you've watched any of my other freeform videos where I use silicone caulk to make the shape and then demold it, I wanted something like that. I wanted a mold that could be used over and over again to create that geode shape. And the nice thing about this mold is after you demold it, you can add more embellishments around the edges, the outside and that inside edge, to make it larger. I've had a few people ask me what can these be used for. Besides the obvious small art piece, you could use it as a tray. I've heard some people say a centerpiece for something like weddings on the tables, which I think would be really nice. What I'm doing here is I am using some of my structure paste from Laura's Art Corner. I hate to tell you guys this, but they are discontinuing this product, and I only had a little bit left, so I wanted to use it on this piece. I am playing with some other products, and I'm keeping in touch with Laura to see if we can find anything comparable to this product, and I will keep you guys in the loop on that. But I've just placed a little bit of the structure paste on that inside edge and using my handy dandy wipes to clean up any residue. And now I'm using my Gala Glitz silver that is brand new to my store. It's beautiful. It's got some glass glitter, clear and silver, and a mix of different size little silver balls, so you really get some nice dimension, texture, and sparkle. And I'm just taking a spoon and gently applying that in along that structure paste and sticking it to the paste. I'm going to use the Just For You Online UK epoxy resin because it does have a quick curing time. So I've got about 25 minutes to work, which is going to be more than enough time with this mold size. And then it's going to be hard to the touch after about 4 hours. So I get to kind of demold this and play with it before that 24-hour mark, which is nice. And even just add some embellishments and stuff, as you'll see later. So here are the products I'm going to use. I'm going to use the Supreme White by Just For You Online UK. I'm going to use the Silver Metallic. And just as you saw, I did one layer of clear resin. And I did hit it with my heat gun to make sure I was popping any bubbles, getting in to the edges there, making sure there weren't any trap bubbles there. And all of these products you can find in my store, www.dryerdaysartstudio.com. I'll link it below as well. So please feel free to check out these products in my store. And just showing you my technique here. I wanted to keep the middle, maybe not so much clear, but I wanted a definite separation from the texture that I had going on in the middle. So as you can see, just applying these to that outside edge, trying to keep it away from the center. Just as a friendly reminder, please do not use a torch or any open flame on your molds. It will scorch them and it will fuse the resin to the mold and it will tear your molds, and there is nothing that will fix it. So just be mindful of that. I did use a heat gun, as you saw, on low heat, and I keep it moving so it's not in one place for too long. I waited about 6 hours and decided to come in and do a little bit of embellishing with some silver gilding paint. Just making some very, very, very fine lines in here to add a little bit of an accent. And after that, I did do another clear coat. Wanted to thicken it up a little bit, get more use out of this nice thick mold. Okay, so now it's been demolded. It has been about 24 hours, and just gently sanding the edges because I did use that structure paste and it was a little gritty on the inside. I will sand that inside circle hole as well, and just keeping my gloves on because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do another flood coat on this yet, and just wanted to protect the piece. And of course, adding the silver edging around the outside. My husband commented that the silver marker really made that edge look like it's really a metal edge. It does look very sharp. And decided to do a little bit more of the silver gilding paint on the other side of the mold. And here it is all done. So I just wanted to take a little candle and put it in the middle and give you an idea of maybe a centerpiece. I probably could have added in maybe some pearls or like a string of beads or something in here, or put the candle in like a glass cylinder or something to give more of a centerpiece effect. But this was all I had on hand, so I know it's kind of sad, but just wanted to show you the centerpiece idea. So here is the underneath, if you will. So this is what was facing up as we were working. And you can see the silver galaglitz really well in there on this side. I wanted to show you the edging here. And then this is the other side, which you saw in the very beginning. That was the underside of the mold, if you will. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out this mold in my store. It's only 30 bucks, so really decent price for the size of the mold. All the other products, the Gala Glitz, the white pigment paste, and the silver metallic, all available in my store. All the tools I used, gloves, etc., all that good stuff, you can find in my Amazon store. That's all linked below. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.